Okay, here's my progress on a permanent magnet rotor for a 4-pole 3-phase induction motor that's going to be set up like a rotovertor. And my original design was some plywood discs, 4 holes drilled out north-south, north-south, and I wanted to slant the magnets like this. I showed in the previous video. There's about a 15-degree slant to it, not just straight on. However, this one is a bit too big for the 3-phase motor I'm going to stuff this into. The stators, it's too big. The magnets are really close to the laminates. Here's a horrible thing I made. These have a 35-degree slant to them. I'm going to rip this apart, but this is also too big. So I made some smaller rotors and a better design. So here's one. This is just a stand. These were actually what I used for cores in my cone head motors, and I put a ferrite tube right there. These are called elevator bolts. Anyways, I'm just using them for a stand right now. And you see it's a bunch of stacks of discs. And I wrapped this 2 layers of this stuff around it, reinforcing. So it's pretty strong. And I saturated everything in epoxy. Now, here's the great design of this. I have a magnet in here. See it? It's a disc magnet. It looks like this. 1 inch by a half an inch. Got a bunch of these. They're N52s. They're really strong. So, I embedded this in epoxy. You can see the edge coming out there. You see how it's round? So, and I put some blue ink around to outline where the magnet is. So, there's how the magnet is. Now, when I put it in this hole here, I can have it like this. So the magnet is going to be facing face on, straight on to the laminates, or I can angle it like this. Let's say 35 degrees is what I want to try out, or 15 degrees, about there, or whatever. About 35 is my target. So I can put this in there and then rotate it how I want, and then put a little brass screw or something in there to hold it in place for testing. So I can try out all different angles like this. So this is a better design. So I'm going to have north, south, and a 35-degree angle on each one. See how that works. If it doesn't work well, I'll cut the angle down to 15. If that doesn't work well, I'll cut it down to no angle at all. Just straight on magnet face to face. So that's what I'm doing now. Much better design than this stuff. and feels really strong. And here's what I need to drill out, this one too. So this is my permanent magnet rotor with adjustable angle to the rotor magnets. Again, here's the magnet going in there. And again, the magnet's in there like that. It's a piece of wood on the side just to keep it in there tight when I poured in the epoxy. So that's my progress. Thanks for watching.